Hello, my name is Mike. My name sign is MM. And this game is the same as, Connect 4, where you have to connect 4 of the same color pieces in a line to win. And it's easy to play because you just drop it down a vertical board. But for someone who's deafblind, doing that makes it very hard because it's hard to remember who dropped which, where. You put your fingers through the holes, and it's just very confusing. And to picture that. So by putting it flat, it's with the same concept as the game, having things build up through the columns. And you can start, like let's say the deafblind person is starting. On the side closest to them, they can put their piece. Their piece will have the soft little fuzzy top, and their opponent's piece will be smooth and hard. So they put it on the board, and they can feel the actual squares where the pieces go. They can feel the bumps. And the pipe cleaners here hold the pieces in place so they can't fall off. You can see that even if it's shaken, the piece does not fall off the board, so that's much better. So this is just my demo. So a deafblind person can play that, become comfortable with it, take it turns. It's going to be fun. It's a new thing I thought of. So it's just my idea. Well, how to play the game. Okay, so let's pretend that I'm a deafblind person, and I'm starting on the side closest to me, and I put down my fuzzy top piece, and then I understand that it's going to come down the columns and build upwards, so I can feel it with my hand like this. Now, the person who's sighted can just look at it, but the person who's not sighted can feel it. So now the sighted person can use their hand and can show their opponent where they put the piece, and then their opponent can feel it. So I can feel where the pieces are, which is mine and which is my opponent's. Easy, huh? Okay, so the materials needed would be these little rock things that you glue something soft on. It's just a little soft top for a blind person, and then the sighted person has the hard piece. And then I use cardboard as the base. And then I got pipe cleaners. Inside there's metal covered by a soft fuzziness, but the very end is sharp. So to avoid injury, I bent the sharp edges over the cardboard. And then so you can feel it safely. And then the back I put tape to protect people's fingers. So my goal is, if this is, well received, then I'm going to make one maybe out of wood or something, make it more permanent. Thank you so much.